Hello students, today I'll teach you in the 8th standard first chapter Arrival of Europeans in India. Arrival of Europeans in India. We know that history is a record of past events. So after the Mughal dynasty period is over, so here European came to India as traders. Gradually, they became rulers of this mighty country. So, India was known as the Golden Bird. The people of various countries were being influenced by our culture and prosperity. Many people worldwide were eager to enter into trade with our country and earn wealth out of it. Earlier, the merchants, here the businessmen from the various countries came to India from northwest by land route for the purpose of trading. They entered the country, India, the route of northwest for the purpose of business trading for years. The Arab businessmen undertook trade through land route because these people was coming to India by land route, but as situation changed, trade through land route stopped. Due to some situations, unwanted incidents, so the land route has been put to an end. Consequently, the demand for Indian commodities like silk, cotton, clothes, muslin, black pepper, spices, etc. increased in the European countries. To take the advantage of this situation, many countries of Europe started searching for a sea route to India. Okay, they needed, as I mentioned, these things. So they wanted to enter into India through other route. It is called sea route because the land route has been stopped. So these European traders searching the sea route to enter into our mighty country India. As we are seeing the sea route here in the map, here subsequently some adventurous sailors of Europe and other countries started search of sea route to come to India. The adventurous people, sailors of Europe, wanted to enter into India by sea route, so they are searching the sea route. In this connection, here, one of the sailors of Europe, Christopher Columbus. Columbus, an Italian explorer, was one of the brave sailors who ventured, who tried to find out the sea route to India. He thought that one can go to the east via west also. Why did he believe so? Think about it. Columbus started his journey to India and accidentally reached America. But he wanted to enter into India, but accidentally he reached to America. As long as he lived, he was under the misconception that he had discovered the sea route to India. Okay, he was in the wrong thinking that he discovered the sea route to India. Actually, he reached to America. Hence, even today, the natives of America are called Red Indians because the natives of America still they have been calling as Red Indians. And the island group in the Caribbean is known as the West Indies. Okay, again here, just I told about the European sailor Christopher Columbus. Again, another sailor who wished to come to India through the sea route was Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama, a native Portugal discoverer,